Hi everyone. In this project we will try to make a wavy lake surface shader. This wave shader will be needed in our next clear lake water project. You will also learn how to use some new nodes in this project. As you can see, we will have a perfect lake water surface plane where we can control the velocity, wave height, as you see, and wave direction. We can control speed and direction, general wave speed, as you see, it's very slow, and you can increase speed, you can reduce high. It's very useful and it will be so necessary in future clear lake water project. If you are ready, let's start our wave shader project. Here we go. Let's create universal render pipeline Unity project and name is wave shader. Yes, wave shader. And press the create button. Yes, our project is open now and we can delete all of this asset and delete, and like other videos, rendering, lighting, environment, and cancel fog feature. Yes, we can reduce gizmo scale. Yes, enough. For this project, I created a lake surface plane with Blender 3D software. So let's create a folder and lake surface model lake surface model, and we can import new asset. Yes, lake, import lake surface and drag to scene and position coordinate 0, 0, 0. Yeah. This plane has very important difference from standard plane in Unity. You know, Unity has 3D object plane also, as you know. Just a bit increase. Yes. This is Unity plane. Yes. I said this plane has very important displays difference from the standard plane in Unity. The vertex number of this plane is considerably higher than the vertex number of the plane in Unity. So I can get a very nice and smooth water wave. If you change this control wireframe, you can see different. In this, our lake surface plane has plenty of vertex number, but Unity's standard plane is not too much, as you see. Yes, delete this plane. It's important for our project, and if you want, align the camera to scene according to scene. Main and select main camera and Control Shift F, you see, and rendering again, lighting, environment, and this skybox material none. Yes, and sure, opacity is 1. Yes, I think everything is ready, and you should work wireframe in edit in scene, because you can see vertex, all vertex. If you work shaded mode, you can't see vertex, you know, wireframe. Yes, and materials, and create material, and wave shader, wave shader. Yes, sorry, rename, wave material, wave material. Yes, and create shader PBR graph, and name is rename wave shader. Yes, and double click, and let's get started. But before that, I want to show which nodes we will use in this project. At first, gradient noise, it is new one, you know, new one node. Gradient noise, multiply noise, position noise, and this is new one also, and new one also remap node, split node, new one, tiling and offset, time, and unlit master, new one, you know, vector 1, you know, vector 2, you know, and vector 3, new one. Yes, at first, I want to show you position, split, and vector 3 node. It's important. For example, position node, and create split node, and link this position, work position, and object position. Work position, it's mean unity space, unity space. But when we select the object position option, the coordinates of the object on scene should be understood. And split node, as you see, RGB, but you can consider this XYZ coordinate. We can add vector 3. Yes, it has XYZ coordinate also, you see, and link this one, and this one, and this one. Yes, and we can vertex position and save. For example, I want to show you something. For example, I add zipper. I add zipper, shaded mode. This lake surface invisible now. Shaper collider we can delete. Yes, you know its coordinate, position coordinate, x, y, and z, as you see. And I assigned the wave material and shader, wave shader. Yes. Save. If I choose world coordinate, save as. Yes. As you see, object is not here. Object is center of the space. Center of the world space. Yes. It's very important, as you see. We can delete for now. Yes. In summary, it allows us to get the coordinates of the split object, while vector 3 already specifies the x, y, and z coordinates. We can reach the vertex coordinates of the object in this row and manipulate it, and we link this to object vertex position channel. Let's continue. Yes, we can change the object link, and vector 3 we link this one and this one. Yes, and we can add unlit master. I am going to delete this unlit master node link soon, just showing its usage in the future project. Soon I will delete this link. It's important. Tiling and offset, and new one node, gradient noise. Yes, and I can link UV coordinates. Yes, and we can add remap for gradient noise and link it. The two most important nodes in this project are these gradient noise and remap nodes. These two nodes provide the wave effect and form the basis for other controls. Vector 2, we can control this node and link this one, and this is important. Vector 1 and link y. This will be our wave height in this project. Default value as you see, and default value as you see. Yes, it is important. You can, yes, we can increase 0.5. Yes, as you see, good. And for animation, time node, and multiply, link to here, and multiply again this one, and multiply, copy, and link this one and this one. Yes, and add vector 2 because we have to multiply before that control, and link this one and link this one and link the for animation offset. As you see, animation has started, but we have to control that speed. So vector 1 to vector 1 and link to here and also vector 1 link here. The two multiply nodes here will allow the lake waves to be controlled in two different directions and at two different speeds. And vector 1 and link this multiply control. Yes, I think enough, but we have to add this control. Sorry, we have to link this vector. Yes, this one. Yeah, it's important. We have to control this value. For example, you can see different way, as you see, different way, as you see. For example, negative value, different way, negative value, different way. It is important for us for control. Yes, and this is height of our wave, height of our wave. We can at first add vertex position. At first, we will use after. We can delete that. We will use in next lesson for clear lake wave animation. As you see, it's very complex because we have to control these values. So, and right click, group selection, and name is right click, convert to property, and name is general wave speed. Yes, and right click, convert to property, wave speed A, and right click, convert to property, wave speed, wave speed B, and last one, right click, convert property, wave height. Yes, wave height. Save and see. Sorry, X surface, open it. Zipper delete. We can, sorry, yeah, leg surface unpack, yes, and name is, can delete this, and leg surface, leg surface, and assign the material, yes. You can see immediately wireframe mode, yes. Yeah, as you see, it's not good reduce. We can control these values. For example, speed and height. Yeah, good. It's enough. You can control this value also. If you want, you can increase this hike, but you have to be carefully not too much because geometry is crashing. Yes, enough. As you see, it's enough for our project. We can control last time or shader. Yes, yes, yes. Remap and control that. Yes. We have to double multiply for two-way and two speed. We can delete this for now. We will use next project. Yes, it's good. Save. Yeah. See you in next project.